Hello grade 4, your English teacher Farzana Sajad is here with a grammar lesson. Do you know what is the topic? The topic is present continuous tense. What is the topic? Present continuous tense. Students, we use present continuous tense for ongoing activities or for the actions that are happening right now, for the actions that are happening in front of you. Let's see some examples. Look at the first picture. What is Tweety doing? It's flying. Look at the other picture. What is she doing? She is drawing a picture at the moment. Let's see some other examples. Look at the boy. Jason is washing his bicycle. I am walking to the bookshop. The dogs are barking at the man. Students, in the previous examples, we learned that we use is, are, am, a verb and ing to make a sentence in present continuous tense. We use is for he, she, it, and for any singular noun. We use are for we, they, you, and for plural nouns. Am, we use am only for I. Is, are, am are called helping verbs. Remember, we call is, are, am helping verbs. Let's do some practice. Look at this verb, cook. We will use a helping verb and ing to make a sentence with this verb. She is cooking rice. We have used is because she is a single person and we have added ing to this verb cook. The sentence is now she is cooking rice. Look at the other verb watch. We have made a sentence in this way. They are watching TV. We have used are because we use they for plural for more persons. So we have used are. They are watching TV. Is that clear now? Class, now there is an exercise for you people. You will make the sentence in present continuous tense by using the helping verb appropriately and adding ing to this verb. Do your work very neatly. Take a picture and send me on my email address. Bye bye.